Hi everyone, welcome to JavaScript Daily channel. Today we are going to talk about React conditional rendering, and first we are going to talk about if statement. In React you can conditionally render component, and if statement if JavaScript operator to decide which components to render. First we have two functions here, one of them by the name of misgoal. It return missed. We use this image here also, and we have another function by the name of mate goal. Again we have return h1, where we have right goal. Again we use this image. Now we have another function. We create another component that choose which component render based on the conditional. We have right function by the name of goal. We use inside the props, and we declare one variable const is goal equal to props dot is goal. Now we use if statement. If is goal, it return the mate goal function, and otherwise it return the miss goal function. Now we call the function here goal. V is goal equal to, if it true, return goal. Now here is displayed goal because the statement is true. If we write false, now you can see displayed statement is false, you missed that one. We replace the if statement to ternary operator, and the syntax of ternary operator, we have condition, we have one question mark, again we have true statement, and we have false. Now we return, we have div is goal equal to a mate function, otherwise miss. Now again you missed because our statement is false. If you write true, again it displayed the goal. It was about ternary operator. We have another operator by the name of logical operator, as all of you know. We clean this. We are going to make another function by the name of function by the name of garage. Inside of that we have used props. Inside that we have one variable by the name of cars equal to cars props dot cars, and we have return each one garage. We have one statement here, cars dot length if greater than 0, and we have another statement here by the name in h2. You have cars dot length cars in your garage. Now we have one array, const car equal to, make one array fraud. We have BMW, the name of the one course. We have to you DAO. Yeah, this is enough. Now we call our function garage cars equal to cars. Yes, now you can see you have 3 cars in your garage. If we add another one car here by the name of Corolla, you can see it add a +1 4. Again, if we clean this, you can see 3. Okay, thank you. Thanks for nice watching. See you soon in the next video. Goodbye.